What's this? What's Let's go na.
Hi, Nick.
What is that?
Or makasud pa to.
What's that? Oh, look. What's that?
Shock siya. Hangtod. Wala rin taglimit.
Ano siya yun? Fish. Ikaw yun. Fish. Oh, let's go. Run to kay Hap. Run! Let's go. Go. What's that? What did you? So big. Oh no. Wala siya kita. No. So big.
Ah,
What's that? What's that? Short? Is that a short? Is that a squawk? Squawk. Where's the color? Oh, what? What's that? What's that? What is it? Bird. Now squawk, squawk, squawk. The parrot in the jungle says, squawk. Yes. Bye-bye. What is this? What is that? What is that? What's that? Two. What's that? Let's go. Let's go. Hi, squawk, squawk. Monkey. Bang. Baby shark. Go, go, go. Go. Fish. Touch, go. Fish.
Ilan na doon?
Sige, smile. Ayaw mo. Smile. Sige, smile mo. Picture mo, be. Dali, picture mo, Kinzo. Picture. Picture, Kinzo. Lo, ang picture mo. Dako ito. Picture sa mo, Kinzo. Dali. Picture.
Picture.
Hadlok ko dyan. Hi, fish. Hi, cute fish.
Kailangan daw na yung i-abdula.
Nangunot. Ay, nangunot.
Ikog na niyo. It's a frog lang mo to. Kuka, kuka. Kuka. Ano kuka? Kuka. I'm scared.
Isang bakit?
Yay, nagbitin. Ay, huh? What's that? There's a spider.
Where I'm scorpion is hiding inside. He's hiding, see?
May monkey. There's a monkey. Kuha na, sir. Okay. Sir. Nandiyan na. Hello. Squirt. Ano siya? Squirt, squirt. Yan, you fly. Hello. Ito aquarium. Ano si Moni? Ay. Para oh. Dito na siya lang. Kali. Ito tingan.
Oh, fish, fish. One little blue fish swimming in the water. Little blue fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 bubble.
Wala, stingray. Lang mechanic.
Kasulay ang kuan. Ara oh. Aris kali. Asa ta? Here? Sunapa ni sa ilaw.
Oo, stingray.
Ito, nagkuan siya. Ito na iyang gihag.
blue. Alright, now blue flies over and grabs the money. So what's next, blue? So blue flies back to the table and gets blue ones too. There you go, the big more money. So sir, are you okay with your money for donation? Are you sure? Since it's okay, sir, how about another round, higher amount, 500 pesos? I was just giving service over from the show, so before we give your money back, you'll have a photo of with our lovely bird for souvenir. So please stand right there and follow our trainer's instructions. So now let's start. Now first, switching our pins is our green wing macaw bandit. So his body is covered with red plumage. His wings and tail feathers are green and blue. So this macaw has a white painted face striped with small red feathers. Now its scientific name is Araborosaurus. Now bandit, say hi to everyone. Say hi. Hello, say hello.
Ay, ang bird.
Jessie is our blue and gold macaw bully. Now blue and gold macaws have a beautiful shade of
Wala
blue
niya, ay, ang bird. Ay,
and
bird.
a solid shade of yellow on its beautiful wings and belly. So its eyes and beak are solid black. Now its scientific name is Arabiana. Now here in Solution Park, we have three blue and gold macaws. So we have Goldie right there and Blue is over there in the basketball game. So later, now we'll race segment see Goldie. Now kung si Bennett naman, si Goldie at next her wings. Next her wings, Goldie. There you go. And now lastly, which
Tara lang,
is
ito
our
lang.
blue named parrot Yoshi. Now blue named parrots are native in Borneo and here in the Philippines. So here in the Philippines, they're locally known as Picoy. So if only their mother number,
Ah, look. Ah, bird.
now parents in particular need to be intelligent and perceptive. That is why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now let's call in Bennett once again and he's going to show us how to put the shapes back to its correct spots.
Wala, may bug shapes ang bird.
Now even though it's still early, Bennett has to get the shapes back to its correct spots. And that is possible with his perception, memory, and intelligence. So in the wild, he uses the skill to find food, shelter, and a good place to nest.
Ano siya? Triangle.
Alright, now let's shape Bennett.
Diamond.
And there you go, intelligent, right? How about a round of applause for Bennett? So now, do you think Goldie can find her hidden object? Let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie!
You can do it, Goldie.
Goldie, find her hidden object. Now Goldie's searching using her psychic powers, and she found it. So how about a round of applause for Goldie?
Oh, what's that?
Now that right there is slow. This is Sweetie, and the trainer this is Purpose. Soup will show you a trick. Now in 1, 2, 3. Amazing, right? So how about a round of applause for Soup? So here in Segosh Park, we believe there is hope. We're not trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also in the land and air as well. So what else the 3 R's of proper waste disposal is to reduce, reuse, and What's the one? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now,
Tingnan.